Everyone, welcome to the part two of text function. So last class I explained len, right, left, and some other function on text function. You can check my previous video to learn that. Now today, we want to look at some of the text function. We have concat, text before, lower, upper, proper, and what text join. We are going to be looking at these functions today. Now let's start. The first one that we are going to be looking at is what is concat. Concat. What does it does? Concat is used to join two or more text strings into a what? Into a text range. Now that is used to join two cells into what? Into a particular what? Into a particular cell. Now let's see how that one work. You can see. Let's see how it work. Now let's see how it work. Now look at what I have here. I want to apply that. I want to apply that here. I want to join Temi and Tuga together. I want to join them together using what? Concat. It's equal to concat. You can see that. So click on this. I'm joining Temi, this cell and this cell. So concat will allow you to what? To join two cells into a what? Into a single cell. Yeah, you can see now this Temi is one cell, this one is another cell. So what do? You put your what? Comma, then select this one as well. So you close the bracket and what? And enter. You can see. Now there is a problem here. What is the problem? The problem is that there is no space. So I want to put a space there. How do I do it? How do I do? I come back here. You click on this. Can we see? So you want a space. Where do you want your space? So after this comma, so you put another what? Column. Your column. So in between your column, how many space do you want there? If it is just one space, you write, you enter, you just click on the back space bar, click on it. Can we see? So you enter. Okay. Click on it. What was this? Okay, you put your comma first, your comma, then you enter. You can see same sugar. So you can see that. So that can give us the rest. That is there. That give us the rest. You can see. Be able to do that. So I think that is clear. Now the next one is so we have used it to get the full name. That is concat. Can we use concatenate as well? Now the next one is what? Lower. Lower. So what do we do? Lower, we what? We return the uppercase into what? Into a lowercase. This one, you can see these names are in what? And in uppercase. You can see that. So with lower, you can change it to what? To lowercase. So let's do that. Let's do that. Now it's equal to let me check. So it's equal to, we have it here. It's equal to, so lower, that is the formula. Can we see? So that is the formula. This is what it wants to do. So it's just select it. And you can see it has changed to what? To lower case. Now this one now upper is to return. You can change this into what? Into uppercase. Let's change this back to uppercase. It's equal to upper. You can see double click on that. So let's see. So you enter. You can see. Now what about proper? This changes to what? Into a what? Into normal form. That is the first, no, as a name. The first letter of name should be what? A capital letter. While the remaining ones should be what? Small letter. That is what? A proper case. So that means you use what? Proper. You can see. Do that. So select this. Can we see that? So now The next one that we look at is so the next one that we look at is test before. So how do we do it? What was this one? Test before. Look at this. Test before. I have everything here. We say test before. It will return the test before the delimiter. What is the delimiter? Delimiter is what separates the test. For example, now we are having test like this. We have what Ade Ola at yahoo.com. So what is the delimiter here? The delimiter here is what is at. If I have Ade slash Bola, the delimiter here is what is slash. If I have Ade space Bola, the delimiter here is what is space. So you can see that that is what. Now I want to use that to remove to what. So I want to apply that here now. So let's try that. It's equal to test before. So that means this allow you to remove the test before delimiter. Before the what the delimiter. I've explained the meaning of delimiters. Now let's see test before. You can see. So now which test are we trying to remove? You click the what the cell. You want to remove Adeola. That means so you click the cell. So once you click the cell, put your comma there. After that, now the next thing is your delimiter. What is the kind of delimiter do we have here? The delimiter that we have here is what is at. So you click on what? Use your what? Your colon first. Your colon for then you now put at there. You put at. So you can close the bracket. Close the bracket and you what? You enter. You can see it has removed the what at. And assuming that we have thousands of names there, you can do that. So once you do that, it will apply for the rest. You can see it will apply. There's nothing here. That is why it doesn't do it. So it will apply the same things for the what for the rest. Can you see? So it has done for Mustafa and what and Olawale. You can see that. Now the next one that we are going to be doing is the next one that we are going to be doing is what we have done lower, we have done what upper, we have done what proper. Then next one is what is test join. Is test join. Let's look at it. What does it does? We can using test join. We can do what? We can use it to what to bring tests together. For example, now Tamin and Tuga, I want to bring them together. So I can use what test join to what to bring it together. So it's equal to test join. So test join. Test join. So double click on that. So what next thing? What's the delimiter? As I told you that what delimiter is something that separate what it is. Now this one now what the thing I want to join together now. What do I need? What do I need to what to separate them? Exactly now. I want them to be separated with what? With slash. If I want them to be separated with what? With slash, that means my delimiter will be what? Slash. So let's see. We have something like this. Now you now put slash. If slash is what I want, slash, that is my delimiter. So put your what? Comma. Now ignore we have many empty cells. They just say ignore the empty cell. Now so you put your what comma again. So which test am I want to join Temi and Tuga together. So Temi comma and what Tuga. Then you close the bracket. Then you put what enter. You can see. So once you click it will apply it for the rest. Now look at this one now. This one I have the same thing. I have what Adeleke. Okay, sorry. I have Tuga here as well. I have Tuga here. So in this case, this one I want to join it together with what? With at. That means my delimiter here will be what? At. My delimiter here will be what? Will be at. So how do I do that? It's equal to what? Test join. What my delimiter here is what? At. We use what? At. Then comma. So you ignore the empty cell. We have many empty cells there, so ignore it. So what's the next thing? What am I doing? I want to join Temi and Tuga together. Can you see comma? Then what? Tuga. So you close the brackets and you what? You enter. Can you see? I was able to what? To join them with what? With art. You can see you can also use this one to bring two emails together. Right? For example, now Adiola and maybe the email is atiahu.com is somewhere here. You can use it to join it together like that. I believe you understand the little thing I have explained here. So please subscribe to my channel if you are here to do so, so that whenever I upload a new video, you always get notification. Thank you.